Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use your keyboard or mouse to speed up a few processes in Canva. If you wanted a circle, a square or a line, you could come over here to Elements and go to Shapes and select them from here, or search for what you need. Or to speed things up, you could simply click R for a square or a rectangle, because you can change the shape to a rectangle. C for a circle. Oops, we'll just click off of there. C for a circle. You can't see the circle because it's orange. We'll change the color. We'll click L for a line. And if you want a text, you could come over here to text and add a text box, or alternatively, you can just press T. And there's your text box. So now we have 4 things layered on top of each other. If we wanted to get to different layers, but it was hard to do because one thing was covering another, we could come up to position and find the element that we want here, or we could simply click on one of the layers and press Tab to go through the different layers, or Shift Tab to go back through the layers. Or we could simply press Command or Control and click, and it will go through the layers. Next, if we want to move the elements, of course we can move them with the mouse, but if we want to do it more discreetly, or if it tries to lock itself into place and won't let you get to exactly where you want, you can press the arrow keys in any direction that you want to go, and it will move it one little bit at a time. Or to move it slightly faster, you can press Shift arrow and it will move in larger increments. If you'd like even more control over where you want it, especially if it's getting locked into place by where Canva thinks it should be, for example, it wants to sit right there in alignment with the bottom of the square, but if I press Control and then move my mouse, it's no longer locking into place anywhere, so I can move it freely. If you'd like to duplicate an element, such as this rectangle, I'll just give it a border to make it clearer. You can press Duplicate here, or you can press Control or Command D, or you could simply press Option or Alt and drag to create a new element. I'll bring that over here so you can see better. Alt, drag, and I've created another one. Alt, drag, and it just copies itself. If you'd like to keep an element in a specific alignment, simply press Shift and drag. I'll just show you what I mean quickly. So let's say you wanted these 2 squares to stay in alignment. So you don't want to move this one accidentally out of alignment. We'll line them up again. Press Shift and drag, and it keeps it lined up. If you try to get it out of alignment, it will pop back into alignment. Finally, if you want to zoom in on your image, you can come down here and zoom, or you could press Command or Control and the plus or minus key, or you could press Command or Control and scroll on your mouse, using the scroll wheel on your mouse. And there you have it. That was 5 quick tips on how to use your keyboard or mouse to speed things up on Canva. If you'd like to learn more keyboard shortcuts, you can download a free printable ebook full of over 80 keyboard shortcuts in the description below, or you could check out my keyboard shortcut videos. See you next time. Bye.